Okay, so I've mapped out all of this FINRA broker check connections between Citadel. Take a look at this. So we start with Citadel Securities, right? That's the main entity, Citadel Securities, LLC. Now, we're going to start with the shared custody. Barclays, Merrill Lynch, ABN AMRO, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Bank of America, all have shared custody over their assets. Now, as far as ownership, that's where it gets effed up. We have the two main direct owners are going to be Citadel Securities Group LP, and they are a direct owner of 5% or less of Citadel Securities. Then we have the big one, CSHC US LLC, which is a direct owner of 75% or more. Now, as far as maintaining portions of books and records, Citadel Securities Americas LLC and Citadel LLC maintain portion of books and records for Citadel Securities. Now, starting from the top, Citadel Securities GP LLC is a general partner of Citadel Securities Holdings LP, which is owned in part through GFH, which is owned indirectly through Ken Griffin. So if we start at Ken Griffin is an indirect owner of GFH LLC, which is an indirect owner of Citadel Securities Holdings LP, which is an indirect owner of Citadel Securities LP, which is an indirect owner through CSHC US LLC, which is a direct owner of Citadel Securities. Yeah, insanity. And then we have on this side, it's just Citadel Securities Group LP, a direct owner 5% or less. This is all a chain here on this side of it. Now, Ken Griffin, right? Look at all the shit he has. Everything you see in red is controlled indirectly by Ken Griffin. And some of the names, let's just go through these. Palafox Trading, Ashler Capital, Citadel Securities Asia, Citadel Securities Taiwan, CSFT Holdings in Ireland, Citadel Securities CV Ltd, Citadel Securities Principal Investments, Citadel Securities Singapore, Citadel Securities Australia, Citadel Securities Americas Trading, Citadel Securities Australia Pty Ltd, Citadel Securities Japan, CRBH Holdings, CSUS Hong Kong, CS Trading, Citadel Shanghai, CSUK Hong Kong, CSHC Canada, CSHC Ireland, CSHC Asia, CSHC Europe, Citadel Securities Finance, Citadel Securities Arbitrage Trading, Citadel Securities Asia, Citadel Securities Asia Holdings, Citadel Securities Korea, Citadel Securities China, Citadel Securities Hong Kong. And I'm not going to say Citadel Securities anymore, except for this time. Citadel Securities GCS. But yeah, you get the point. This isn't even all of them. There was so much to do. I mean, this map wouldn't have made sense because I would have had to go out this far and you couldn't read anything. I mean, I got to right here, Asia Holdings. And then like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Like Citadel Quantitative Strategies Master Fund. Citadel Advisors, Citadel Global Advisors. About 25. 25, 24. Yeah, 27. 27 more than what I have here. This is just Citadel, man. So, again, a lot bigger than you might have thought. But here's the crime calendar, or picture. This is how they are invincible. That's a lot of shit to take out. Anyways, there's your picture.